I'm going into a translation about our ceremonial drums again. We've had several ways those drums have helped us as a people. And one of those is there is a ceremony with our ceremonial drums where our young men who were going to go off and join the service or go off to fight in our wars were helped. It was not only our men, we also had women that have gone through this ceremony. And what a lot of our young people did before they were drafted or before they went off to war, they would come to our ceremonial dances and they would bring their food and their tobacco offerings. And as they come in, the young man would be told to put his tobacco in the tobacco dish of the drum, and from there he'd take his tobacco over to Gitchadal that would speak on his behalf, and they would ask that young man have a safe journey and be protected while he was overseas. And they did this with all the World War, World War I, World War II, and Vietnam War, Korean War, all of those wars. And a lot of our young men that came back reported that in the middle of the battle out there, they would hear these drums out there, and which helped them during the course of the battle, and told them that they were being protected while they were all out there. And all of our young men came back from the community I live in, Aazhoomog, except for one. One didn't make it back. His family didn't believe this way. They didn't have this ceremony for him, and this young man was killed in the Vietnam War and was one of the casualties from our community that I know of. But the rest of them were protected. There is a song that goes with these drums that young man gets up and dances to. And everybody that's there joins in and supports him. So that was a song that was just used only for that purpose, to help our young men when they went off to the wars. There you go, yo.